Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to sync your Obsidian notes across multiple devices for free. No paid subscription is needed. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to go to your Obsidian Vault folder on your computer. As you can see, currently I'm on the official website of Obsidian, which is obsidian.md. From here, you need to get Obsidian for Windows, and after that, you need to basically go to your folder on your computer. You need to copy or move that particular folder into Google Drive, OneDrive, or any of the free cloud storage folder. Let's say this is the folder that you have copied from your Obsidian Vault to your Google Drive. After that, this way your notes will automatically sync whenever you update them. Now on your second device, you need to install the same cloud storage application, which in our case is Google Drive. So you need to download that. Once done, you need to log in with the same account, and then you need to come here on obsidian.md and download the Obsidian Vault folder into the storage. Once done, you need to open Obsidian and point it to that folder. Now both of the devices stay in sync. You can also use GitHub for it. So if you are comfortable with Git, you can turn your Obsidian Vault into a Git repository. You need to push it to a private GitHub repo and pull the updates on any device. It is quite free and secure, but it requires a little technical setup. So if you want me to create a video on that method, you can just let me know in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.